So if sea levels are rising globally, one of the consequences is an increase in coastal flooding. We know that conditions can change house to house, neighborhood to neighborhood, and the network we currently have is not adequate for observing that process.
Current water level measurements are sparse, and we want to be able to make a sensor that can be bought by local communities so that they can really look at their flooding.
So that's the information we need, both as scientists to understand the process of coastal flooding, but also managers, practitioners, towns and cities need that to know how to adapt.